everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts and I'm back with Abby and I'm going to show you our go-to bun that we do when we've got no time but we want the hair to look cute. So this is what we do. We leave some bits out the side, we grab hold of the hair, no back comb, and I just basically just use my fingers to just work the hair up. So just working that hair up, and I want the ponytail to sit about here. So once I'm happy, it doesn't have to be too perfect. I'm just going to pop this into a pony. And then you can just kind of like give this a wiggle. I like it to look kind of like not done, if that makes sense. So just sort of pulling at the hair a little bit. So this is our go-to. We have no time, we can't curl the hair. So I just break it into two, flip it over, do a little knot. And then Abby's got loads of hair, so I do another one. So if your hair's a bit shorter, just don't do as many knots. Don't care that there's bits popping out. It's kind of what we want with this style. Probably one more. And then I'm just going to pop a little elastic there. Let's go. Now you can kind of leave that as it is, or you can just give these a little bit of a pull if you want to, just to kind of fatten them up a little bit. So I've just made them a little bit poofier. And then I literally just, every time it's a little bit different, I just kind of spin it around until I'm kind of happy with how it looks. I like these little bits popping out usually. Now this is where it's kind of important with your sort of pinning, because Abby's got a lot of hair. So I go in through the bun, like that, and then I go through the hair on the head, and then I turn it back on itself. Show you again. So where my thumb is, I tend to go in where my fingers are sitting. So we don't have to go too much with the spray here, because like I say, it's that very kind of undone, you've chucked it up kind of look. But if you wanted to go in with a bit of hairspray or wax spray, you can. So that is side profile, few knots, few pins, look at that, and you are done.